Today, we're going to learn how to create storytelling AI videos. Let's get started. We're going to copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. Then, we'll send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will suggest 10 ideas for creating the video, and we'll choose one and send the idea number back to ChatGPT. And it will create everything for us. Now, to create the video, we're going to copy the image prompt. Then, we'll go to the Google Flow website. We'll click on New Project. Then, click here and select Image 9:16, Nano Banana 2, and X1. Then, we'll paste the prompt and click Send. After the image finishes generating, we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the Video 1 prompt. Then, we'll return to Flow, click here and select Video, Frames 9:16, Omni Flash 8 seconds, and X1. Then we'll click on the image, select Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. After the video is finished, we'll go to the last frame of this video and click Save Frame, so it can create the image for the next video. Then we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the Video 2 prompt. After that, we'll return to Flow, click on the image, select Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. And that's it. Goodbye.